What if your furniture could whisper tales of style and personality? And have you ever considered your furniture as a medium for storytelling? Discover the magic that furniture brings to a home, shaping its character and warmth. The right furniture design breathes life into your living space, creating a haven that resonates with your unique personality. It's not just about furnishing a room, it's about crafting a home that mirrors your soul. That's why we've carefully curated a selection of innovative, functional, and stylish furniture designs from the esteemed publisher Yanko Design. These designs seamlessly blend with your individuality, enhancing the charm of your space. Explore our top furniture picks from 2023, and let your home reflect the beauty of your essence. One, the timetable. A desk that adds a touch of magic to your workspace. It's not just a piece of furniture, it's a unique and innovative companion that brings time to life. Imagine a sub-table that gracefully moves, subtly reflecting the passage of time as you dive into your activities and projects. It's not just a desk, it's a journey through time, a reverse hourglass that visually captures the beauty of each moment. With this charming addition to your space, you'll not only measure and log your time but also cultivate a delightful awareness of the moments you invest in your work. Two, flow wall desk. Meet the flow wall desk, a brilliant solution for offices with limited space. This exceptional piece of office furniture seamlessly blends functionality and aesthetics while embracing a sustainable and simple design philosophy. When gracefully propped against your wall, it becomes an instant attention grabber, a true work of art. The flow wall desk, with its minimalist and intriguing shape, transforms into a spiraling caterpillar when unfolded. Offering a functional desk for your work, reading, and writing needs. Its convenient flat-pack form ensures easy storage, making it a truly multifunctional piece of furniture that effortlessly combines form and function in your workspace. 3. Tokyo. Introducing Tokyo, an ingenious multifunctional design that effortlessly serves as both a stylish shoe rack and a comfortable bench. This exceptional piece seamlessly merges two furniture functions into one cohesive and individual design. Its distinctive feature includes a side leg with a gentle, seamless curve that lovingly cradles a cushion, forming a top tray for your daily essentials. This becomes a cozy and organized spot to store souvenirs and knick-knacks, adding a touch of charm to your space. 4. Bookgroove. An exceptional furniture design that effortlessly combines the functionality of a book rack and a table. Its seamless and well-crafted body is tailored for contemporary homes, making it truly one of a kind. The Bookgroove, initially appearing circular, reveals its uniqueness upon closer inspection with a skillfully carved J-shaped section on one side, providing a distinctive space for multiple books. This unconventional approach to book storage follows the shape of the built-in shelf on the side table. The top section serves as a delightful spot for your cup of coffee or a glass of wine, adding a touch of enjoyment to your reading moments. 5. Snowhouse Sofa. A fascinating piece of furniture designed for both pets and humans to enjoy. This wooden marvel is adorned with plush white cushions, creating a picturesque representation of freshly fallen snow. The rounded edges of the sofa contribute to its soft and elegant appeal. What sets it apart is the hollow ends, cleverly designed with spaces to accommodate books, magazines, and various miscellaneous items. But that's not all. The upper section of the sofa serves as a passage for your feline friends, creating a cozy nook for them to explore. 6. Plot Twist Bookshelf. Crafted by the talented Denise Acte, the Plot Twist Bookshelf is a remarkable creation featuring 4 distinct twisted wooden elements seamlessly connected to form a stable and innovative structure. Its unconventional and mesmerizing design captures attention from every angle, making it a true standout piece. The bookshelf's unique design is accessible from all sides, providing an oddly satisfying visual experience with curves reminiscent of Acte's other successful projects like the Wavelet, Stool, and the Pet Table. Embrace a clutter-free aesthetic as similarly sized books find an easy arrangement within this distinctive bookshelf. 7. Alada Folding Desk. A clever and convenient space-saving solution that seamlessly transforms from a functional desk into an adorable decorative shelf. In a matter of seconds, you can convert the desk into a stylish display shelf, perfect for showcasing your favorite souvenirs and potted plants. Purposefully designed to meet the increasing demand for smart and flexible home office solutions, the Alada desk offers a transformative and space-saving workspace for your work-at-home needs. It recognizes the importance of having a workspace that can be easily stored away when the workday concludes. With hidden storage spaces cleverly integrated when folded up, the Alada folding desk is not just a practical addition but also a charming piece of versatile furniture for your home. 8. Refold. Meet the Refold, a foldable desk crafted from sustainable cardboard. Comprising just a few foldable pieces, it effortlessly transforms into a compact rectangle that you can carry with you, ready to serve as either a standing or sitting desk. The Refold isn't just a portable workstation, it's an eco-friendly and efficient solution for those seeking an outdoor desk setup. Indoors, it becomes a space-saving desk that can be assembled or disassembled in a matter of minutes, adding a touch of unique aesthetic appeal to your space. Embrace sustainability and flexibility with the innovative design of the Refold, a desk that adapts to your needs, wherever you go. 9. FTP Desk. Enter the world of innovative table design with this unique concept that unfolds like a multi-purpose puzzle game. Picture different pieces seamlessly fitting into various places, adapting to the specific functionality you desire for your furniture. An eye-catching orange circle becomes a movable element, adding a symbolic touch to the design. Shifting this shape around and altering its position becomes more than just a physical change. It transforms into a symbol and ritual, guiding your mind toward a different activity associated with its placement. Embrace the versatility of a modular and shape-changing design that caters to multiple functionalities, making this table an engaging and adaptable addition to your living space. 10. Knot Stool. Meet the knot stool, a distinctive piece that stands out with its flat and layered wood construction, delivering a raw and brutalist aesthetic. Comprising various layers of wood, this stool offers a unique visual appeal. Customization takes center stage as the 3 wooden pieces can be painted in the same or different colors, allowing you to personalize the stool to match your style. Adding a playful touch, the decorative webbing strap that wraps around the top of the stool's legs can come in complementing or contrasting colors and can be crafted from different materials. Elevate your interiors with a whimsical and fun element, thanks to the knot stool's clean, minimal, and compact design, a delightful addition to any space. Thank you for exploring this collection of innovative and versatile furniture designs. From the flow wall desk's spiraling transformation to the playful Tokyo multifunctional furniture. And the raw aesthetic of the knot stool, each piece offers a unique blend of functionality and style. Whether you're intrigued by modular concepts, foldable solutions, or the artful integration of sustainable materials, these designs bring a touch of creativity to your living spaces.